beautiful home with striking floor plan boasts 5 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The foyer entrance leads to a center circular room surrounded by columns and leading to the kitchen and family room. A living room and dining room with French doors are on either side of the entrance and have hardwood floors. Both formal rooms have columns. The kitchen has granite countertops and 42 inches cabinets with a spacious eat-in area. The family room has a gas fireplace and opens out to the back deck. Upstairs find a master suite with a deluxe bathroom and 4 other large bedrooms. The unfinished third floor offers many options. A fenced backyard and 2-car garage plus paved driveway complete the exterior. Located close to shopping, restaurants and interstates, this Hanover gem has so much to offer.